The main term associated with the human heart, number one, human heart is myogenic, which means impulses of contraction, or you can say cardiac impulse originate in the heart itself with the help of modified heart muscles or nodal tissue called SA node. Second, SA node is known as pacemaker of the heart because it initiates cardiac impulses and is also responsible for maintaining the heartbeat. And it is auto excitable, means it can start impulse of contraction itself. No external stimuli is required. AV node, it is known as pace setter of the heart because it further sends the wave of contraction which it received from SA node to the ventricle. SA node is responsible for the contraction of auricles, and AV node, bundle of His, its branches and Purkinje's fiber are responsible for the contraction of ventricle. Now, what do you mean by heartbeat? Heartbeat means simply contraction and relaxation of heart, or you can say spontaneous and rhythmic contraction and relaxation of the heart to pump out and receive blood to and from the body is called heartbeat. And what is the average number of heartbeat? That is 72 beats per minute. Next topic is cardiac cycle. The cardiac cycle consists of one heartbeat. One heartbeat means one cycle of contraction and relaxation of cardiac muscle. Now, what happened during heartbeat? I told you I was talking about two words, contraction and relaxation. And what undergoes contraction and relaxation? That is auricles, atria and ventricles. The contraction phase is known as systole. It is a short word. Contraction of the heart is known as systole and relaxation phase is known as diastole. Remember these two words. Contraction phase is known as systole and relaxation phase is known as diastole. Systole is short, it takes short time. Diastole, it takes long time to speak. So systole is contraction and diastole is relaxation. Now we will start with the cardiac cycle. What do you mean by cardiac cycle? Sequential event in the heart which is cyclically repeated, means systole and diastole of both auricle or atria and ventricle, which keeps on repeating cyclically, is known as cardiac cycle. Now, what is the time of cardiac cycle or duration of the cardiac cycle? Cardiac cycle take 0.8 second, means in 0.8 second once the blood it enter into the heart and moves out of the heart. Now, one cardiac cycle, its duration is 0.8 second and it is further divided into three phases. Earlier I told you systole and diastole. Systole and diastole is related to contraction of auricle and ventricle and relaxation of auricles and ventricle. Number 1, auriculosystole. Auriculosystole means contraction of auricles. It lasts for 0.1 second. Second, ventricular systole. Ventricular systole means contraction of ventricle. It lasts for 0.3 second. Then 0.4 second joint diastole. Diastole means relaxation. Means both auricle and ventricle undergo relaxation, that is for 0.4 second. To begin with cardiac cycle, first of all we will start with joint diastole. During joint diastole, which lasts for 0.4 second, both the auricles and ventricles, they are in relaxed state. It means no contraction take place. During this stage, semilunar valves are closed and bicuspid and tricuspid valves are open. The blood in the left side, blood from the pulmonary veins, it enter into the left auricle, and blood from the superior and inferior vena cava enters into the right auricle. Because the valves are open, so the flow of blood take place from the auricle to ventricle itself. Now, when sino-auricular node, so at this stage, joint diastole, what is there? That all the four chambers, they are in relaxed state. Then semilunar valves of the pulmonary artery and aorta are closed. Bicuspid and tricuspid valves are open, and blood flow take place from the auricle to ventricle. Now, sino-auricular node, it generates an action potential which stimulate both the auricles to undergo simultaneous contraction. You can see SA node, it generates a wave of contraction due to which both the auricles, they undergo simultaneous contraction, due to which when both the auricle undergo simultaneous contraction, then the flow of blood, it increases towards the ventricle. Now, so this was when contraction of auricle take place, it is known as the auricular systole, and it lasts for 0.1 second. Now next we will start with the ventricular systole. Now the wave of contraction, or you can say action potential, which was initiated by SA node, is picked up by the AV node. Now the AV node, it will pick up the wave of contraction and it transmit it with the help of bundle of His, its branches and Purkinje's fiber to the ventricular muscles, which will cause contraction of the ventricle, and it is known as the ventricular systole. During the ventricular systole, or you can say contraction of ventricles, auricles, they start undergoing relaxation. So the contraction will start from the base. Now they will start undergo relaxation. Now when the contraction of the ventricle start, the blood pressure inside the ventricle increases, which causes the closure of the auriculoventricular valve, that is bicuspid and tricuspid valve, they close during ventricular systole, and now these valves are closed, bicuspid and tricuspid. Now due to the pressure of the blood, the valves, semilunar valves of the aorta and pulmonary artery, they open, and blood, it moves outward through pressure into the pulmonary artery and aorta, pulmonary artery and aorta. So this is known as ventricular systole. So what happens during ventricular systole? Bicuspid, tricuspid valve closure take place and opening of semilunar valve take place.